Today we visited the legendary monument of Hawo Tako. Hawo Tako stands as one of the most powerful symbols of resilience, courage, and sacrifice in Somalia's struggle for independence. At a time when colonial rule sought to silence Somali voices and when women were expected to remain unseen, Hawo Tako chose resistance. She not only fought against foreign domination, she challenged the limits of social and colonial expectations. Hawo Tako paid with her life for believing that Somalia deserved dignity, freedom, and self-rule. She is a reminder that independence was not gifted, it was fought for. Today, as Somalis face targeting, erasure, and hostility abroad, and as Somalia itself continues to be tested by attempts at division, Hawo Tako speaks clearly. We have endured before and will endure again. Somali resilience is not accidental, it is inherited.